Hello friends, we will discuss the paper number theory. In that first chapter divisibility, in that divisibility chapter or whole number theory paper we are discuss the only numbers. We all know irrational numbers, natural numbers, real numbers, natural numbers, integers, prime numbers and their sequences. We all discuss in this paper. Now first we discuss well ordering principle. Now, well ordering principle is every every non-empty set of positive every non-empty set of positive integer, that means positive integers, that means natural number has has least element. एव्हरी नॉन एम्प्टी सेट, नंबरचा जो सेट असतो त्या प्रत्येक सेटमधला पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर, म्हणजे त्या प्रत्येक सेटमध्ये एक तरी पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर पाहिजे, त्यालाच काय म्हणायचं आहे, वेल ऑर्डरिंग प्रिन्सिपल. नाउ आर्किमिडियन प्रॉपर्टी. In Archimedean property, if a and b be any two positive integer, if a and b any two positive integer, there exist positive integer n such that n a greater equal b, n a greater equal b. म्हणजेच काय, आर्किमिडियन प्रॉपर्टी काय सांगते, जर ए आणि बी जर दोन पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर असतील, त्यांच्यामध्ये असा एक पॉझिटिव्ह इंटिजर असतो एन, तो एन ए ग्रेटर इक्वल बी. हे आपण एक्झाम्पलमध्ये बघूया पुढे. ठीक आहे. नाउ विल डिस्कस द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिव्हिजिबिलिटी. Definition of divisibility. An integer b is divisible by an integer a is not equals to 0 if there is an integer x, if there is an integer x such that b is equal to ax, and we write a divides b and read as a divides b. read कसं वाचणार आहे, a divides b. Now if b is not divisible by a, how can it written? Next point, if b is not divisible by a, therefore it can be written as a b does not divides a. B is not divisible by A. Now it can be written as B is not divisible by A. Now, since A divides B, A divides B, therefore 0 less than B less than A less than B, then A is proper divisor of B. Then A is proper divisor of B. Okay, this one is note. A divides B, therefore A 0 less than A less than B, then A is a proper divisor of B. Note first, in that note first, if A divides B, then minus A divides B. A divides B, then minus A divides B. Therefore, proof काय लिहायचं मग? आपल्याला माहिती काय गिवन काय आहे? गिवन आहे A डिवाइड्स B. Therefore, लिहिणार कसं? A डिवाइड्स B लिहितो कसं आपण? A डिवाइड्स B लिहितो कसं? B is equal to AX. Same we can write as B is equals to AX and X belongs to Z. Okay. Then B is equals to minus A into minus X, where minus X belongs to Z. Is it true? निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स आणि पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स कशामध्ये असतात? इंटिजर्समध्ये. ठीक आहे. Therefore B is equals to minus A into X. x1 करूया. x1 since such that minus X is equals to x1. Therefore x1 belongs to Z. आपण ह्या मायनस एक्सला काय कन्सिडर केलं? x1. का बरं कन्सिडर करू शकलो? हा x1 कशात मधला आहे? इंटिजर Z मधला. Therefore we can write as minus A divides B. Minus A divides B. Okay. Then note second. A divides 0. A divides 0 for all A belongs to Z. Every non-zero integer divides 0. Every non-zero integer divides 0. Divides 0. Therefore every non-integer divides 0. Third note, 1 divides A. A divides A for all A belongs to Z. A 1 divides A. A divides A and for all A belongs to any integer. Fourth, if A divides B, C divides D, then AC divides BD. We can see this proof. How can it possible? If A divides B, C divides D, then AC divides BD. Proof. Given A divides B, that means B is equals to AX1 by definition of divisibility. and x1 belongs to z, equation number 1, and c divides d म्हणजेच काय येईल d is equal to c x2 where x2 belongs to z, equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 and 2, we get multiply equation 1 and 2, we get काय येईल मग b into d is equals to a into x1 into c into x2. x1 x2 belongs to z, therefore b into d is equals to a into c x1 into x2, therefore x1 आणि x2 belongs to z. x1 आणि x2चं मल्टिप्लिकेशनच काय येईल एक इंटिजर नंबर येईल म्हणजेच काय तो ac into x3, therefore x1 x2 x3 belongs to z and x1 into x2 is equal to x3, therefore bd is equals to ac x3, therefore ac divides bd, ac divides bd. We prove this. What is our theorem? A divides b, c divides d, then ac divides bd, therefore a divides b, b is equals to x1, c divides d, d is equals to cx2, then continue like this, we get ac divides bd. Okay.